installing GODFORCE 6 and GODBLESS indicators plus the templates. Make sure you watch the video and follow along. I will go slow. Do not skip away because you want to have the same setting as us for the templates. Different templates are resulting in different results. If somehow you still came up with different templates than us, you need to uninstall the MT4 software and do it again from the beginning. Okay. Step 1. Make sure your MT4 software open on your computer. If you don't have one yet, download the MT4 software from your broker, and if you don't know how to do it, search on YouTube. It's super simple. Okay. Step 2. Go to the membership area and find the GODFORCE 6 indicators download underneath the video, and then you want to download it. Okay, after you download it, you're going to find it. When you found it, you want to cut it. Okay, after you cut it, you want to go back to your go to the desktop and paste it there, so it's easy to find. And after you paste it, you want to extract the file. Okay, after you extract the file, double click it, and you're going to find two folders: GF indicators folders and templates folders. You want to copy the GF indicators folder, and after that you're going to go back to the MT4 software. Okay, and you're going to go to the top left where it says file, and you're going to drop to open data folder. You're going to click it, and the new window will come out. Okay, and then you're going to find MQL4, click it, double click it, and indicators, double click it, and once you're there, you're going to paste the GF indicators that you just copied. Paste it here. Alright. Okay, and as you can see, the GF indicators there. After that, you're going to close the window and then close the MT4 software as well. Alright. After you close it, you want to reopen the MT4 software. Alright. After it opens, you're going to go back to the folder. Alright. And then you're going to go to templates. You're going to go inside the templates folder. Double click it, and you're going to find two templates: GODBLESS and GODFORCE 6 templates. You want to copy those two templates. Alright, and after that you're going to go back to the file again on the top left corner, open data folder. Alright, and you want to find templates folder. You're going to double click it. Alright, when you double click it, you're going to find a lot of templates there. Before you paste those two templates we just copied, you have to delete all these templates to avoid confusion. Delete it and then paste those two templates. So now you only have two templates in there. Close the window. Okay, and then you want to close all this chart as well. Okay, and then after that you're going to open a chart, and in this case we're going to open USD franc chart. Alright, I'm going to close the left side, and you're going to maximize the chart. Now this is the moment of truth. You're going to load first. You're going to load the GODFORCE 6 templates. Alright, and your template should look like this. Okay, if it's different, then you have to redo it again from the beginning. Okay, this is the GODFORCE 6 templates. Now we're going to load the GODBLESS template. Your GODBLESS template should look like this as well. Alright, okay, I wrote down the instruction. step by step in detail inside our PDF resources. Download it, print it out, and make it as a book. So it's going to be easy for you if you want to study or if you have questions, because 99% of the answers are going to be there. Our next lesson is Forex Insider Technique.